Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're an overseas dentist waiting to pass your ORE or LDS exams in the UK, you may find yourself with some extra time on your hands. But don't worry, there are plenty of side hustles you can do to earn some money and gain experience while you wait. In this video we'll be discussing 7 side hustles specifically for overseas dentists in the UK. We'll go into detail about each option so you can decide which one is right for you. So option number 1 is tutoring. First up, you can offer your services as a tutor to dental students. As a dentist, you have extensive knowledge and experience that can be incredibly valuable to those who are currently studying dentistry. You can offer tutoring services in person or online, depending on your preference. You can charge an hourly rate for your services, and you can work from home or a local library. You can find tutoring jobs by checking with dental schools in your local area or by posting your services online through platforms such as Facebook. Option number 2. Another option is transcription. Many dental professionals record lectures, seminars and presentations for later reference. You can offer your services as a transcriptionist and convert these audio or video files into written documents. You can work from home and charge per hour or per project. You can find transcription jobs by searching on freelance websites such as Upwork or Freelancer, or by contacting local dental practices or course providers and offering your services. Option number 3, medical writing. If you have a knack for writing, medical writing can be a great side hustle. You can use your knowledge and experience in dentistry to create engaging and informative content for medical publications. You can work as a freelancer and charge per project. You can find medical writing jobs through websites such as ProBlogger or by contacting medical publications directly and offering your services. Option number 4, drug rep companies are always looking for dental professionals to help promote their products. You can work as a drug rep and promote various dental products and equipment to other dental professionals. You can earn a healthy commission on each sale. You can find drug rep jobs by searching on job websites such as Indeed or by contacting pharmaceutical companies directly and inquiring about available positions. Option number 5, translation services. As an overseas dentist, you are likely to be fluent in at least one language other than English. You can offer your services as a translator to dental professionals who work with patients who speak different languages. You will normally have to register with an agency who will then subcontract work on your behalf with health organizations. You will usually be paid per hour. You can find translation jobs by Googling for agencies or by looking on Indeed. Option number 6, a dental assistant. If you're looking for a hands-on experience in a dental setting, you can work as a trainee dental nurse. You can assist with various procedures, prepare patients for treatment, and perform other duties as needed. Can earn an hourly wage and gain valuable experience working alongside other dental professionals. You can find dental assistant jobs by searching on job websites such as Indeed or by contacting local dental practices and inquiring about such available positions. You will normally be required to enroll onto a program for an apprentice dental nurse, and this is usually arranged by your employer. Option number 7, social media management. If you're savvy with social media, you can work as a social media manager for dental practices or other healthcare professionals. You can create and manage social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers. You can work remotely and charge per project or on a retainer basis. So there you have it, 7 side hustles for overseas dentists waiting to pass their ORE or LDS exams in the UK. We know it can be extremely stressful waiting for these exams, and usually money can be a big factor because these exams are usually very expensive, and the preparation it takes to pass these exams also is quite expensive as well. But do not stress. I hope these lists of options will provide some benefit to you and provide some extra cash and gain experience while you wait. Remember, there are plenty of options out there, so do not stress. If you have found this video useful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel, and we will bring you more videos for the near future. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.